Hi friends, it's Wendy with H2O Bungalow. I'm so happy you're here today. I cannot wait to share this latest DIY with you. I installed this peel and stick tile backsplash in the kitchen about a year and a half ago. I'm up here in the North House in one of our units, and today I'm going to answer the big questions that most people think before they dive into a project like this. Would you do it again? How easy was it to install? And most of all, how well does it last? And again, if you'd like more information on anything I'm covering in this tutorial, go to my blog post at h2obungalow.com, search peel and stick tile, and you will find lots of information on doing this project for yourself in your own home. I cover all different kinds of tile available. I have links to products I used. I have links to tiles that I found that I really like. And I answer a lot of questions about prepping your kitchen or wall for a DIY project like this with peel and stick tile. Okay guys, as always, if you like my work, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at H2O Bungalow and of course my blog at h2obungalow.com. The first thing you'll want to do is to check for levelness in your kitchen. If you have any wonky spaces, you'll need to know that in advance so you can plan for how you're going to make those special cuts. Since our house is really old, built in 1835, we have crooked walls. So I measured the top and the bottom of each wall before I made cuts for the end pieces. Using this peel and stick tile is really pretty easy. All you need to do is peel off the sticky back and apply the tile firmly to the wall. A word of caution though, hold it by the edges because your fingers will stick. This backing is so sticky and so strong that it will make it hard to get off your fingers. Cutting a straight line is easy. Use a builder's square to mark your line and use tin snips to cut through the tile. So one word about repositioning a tile, once you have the sticky back pulled off and it's pressed onto the wall, you will not be able to reposition the tile. If you do, you may pull off a chunk of your drywall. Cutting electrical outlets was pretty easy. Just to take your time, use your tin snips, and work your way along your line slowly. Sturdy scissors were the easiest way to cut the medley tile in between the tiles, and then I was able to just trim them down and fit them into tight spots or up close around the cabinet edges. When I was starting a second row, I would line up the outside of the wall first, and then I would rest the tile on top of the row before and then press down.